Welcome back to the Supercharged guys, subscribe to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the Cadillac Escalade-V Series is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of power, prestige, and performance wrapped in pure luxury. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece designed to dominate the road while surrounding its passengers with unparalleled comfort and cutting-edge technology. Cadillac has taken its legendary Escalade and turned up the intensity, creating an SUV that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. Beneath its sculpted hood lies an absolute beast, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine roaring with 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just raw power, it's refined, delivering an adrenaline-pumping 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a high-performance all-wheel drive system, the Escalade-V grips the road with precision, whether you're launching down the highway or cruising through city streets. Magnetic ride control and air ride adaptive suspension keep the ride silky smooth, ensuring you feel every bit of the power without sacrificing comfort. It's luxury with a heartbeat of a supercar. One glance at the exterior and it's clear, the Escalade-V Series means business. The blacked-out grille, menacing LED lighting, and bold lines give it an undeniable presence, while 22-inch exclusive wheels and a quad-tip exhaust system scream performance. From the signature vertical headlights to the muscular rear end, every detail is sculpted for maximum impact. This isn't just an SUV, it's an icon in motion, turning heads and demanding attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in next-level luxury. The handcrafted leather, carbon fiber, and real wood accents create a cabin that's as stunning as it is comfortable. The curved OLED display stretches across the dashboard, delivering a crystal-clear, high-tech interface that puts the world at your fingertips. Sink into heated, ventilated, and massaging seats while the AKG Studio reference sound system blasts 36 speakers of pure audio bliss. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the panoramic sunroof, is designed to create an atmosphere of absolute indulgence. And despite its monstrous performance, the Escalade-V doesn't just guzzle fuel mindlessly. Cadillac has fine-tuned the engine for efficiency, ensuring you get the thrill of a supercharged V8 without constantly searching for the next gas station. It's the perfect blend of power and practicality. The Cadillac Escalade-V Series isn't just another luxury SUV, it's the king of the road. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Shed. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay driven. See you soon.